how to add rebar to your concrete floor in Revit. So we are going to be using the reinforcement our structure concrete floor with some rebar, and I am just going to be showing you how to use these simple tools, okay, and then explaining how they work. But before get started, I would just like to ask you to like this tutorial. But anyway, let's start. Here I am in Revit. For this project I am going to be using this structural template. Select this structural template. Okay, let's go to the first level and let's create a floor to be added some reinforcement to. Go here on structure, then go to the floor, and here we got let's use this generic 300 mm floor. Take this, draw line, rectangle, and let's create some floor. Like this, and here when create the boundary of the floor, you can see all these lines are same except top one. You can see here 3 line is there, okay. What this basically means, this is a span direction, okay. Make it finish, and we have our concrete slab. And if you select this slab, how do you place rebar here in this concrete floor? Go to the area rebar. Here you will see area, click here, and first you select the floor, okay. And now you can use this line tool, rectangle, and give some offset, suppose 300 mm. Take the offset 300 mm, finish it, and you are done. And it's look like this. I'll just go in 3D. You can see, make it fine so it can be visible easily to you. You can understand this one. Select this one, go in property, you will see here additional top, little bit make this so you can get it easily. See, top cover offset. If you want to provide top cover offset, you can keep here. It's basically for the fire resistance, used for fire resistance and corrosion. So if you suppose you provide here 100 mm, you will see here you will go little bit down. You will see here measure bar type, make it 10 mm, 16 mm, Measure hook type, you will see 90 degree, you will see here 90 degree. Measure spacing 300 mm, minor bar 13 mm, and minor hook type make it 90 degree. So you can see here, if you want to make this one up, you can make also here. You will see it go up. So we need down, place it down. Okay, in this way we can change the spacing and the hook type and all. Okay, so that how we can create rebar in your area, in your floor. Okay, you can go in 3D. You can see here it will take little bit time. Okay, you can see here, if you want to see this reinforcement in realistic view, you can see also. Select all this, go in here, filter, check none. Now click on here, structure keybar, apply. Okay, you will see here visibility state. Click here, make it checkbox, and now press OK. Now we can see the reinforcement clearly. Zoom it, you can see this. Okay, in this way you can place your floor, concrete floor, with the reinforcement rebar. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe.